So in some ways, it says that if you carefully read some of these scriptures, and that's why there is so much of emphasis on yajna in a very ritualistic sense, because unless we do it, unless we understand the sukshma, first it will be stula. We may be doing, and then the purohit will be doing, we'll be chatting. But if you are willing to you put a few more steps into it, you will see those rituals are meant for some deeper contemplation that you can develop if only we are able to see the sukshma of the rituals. That's why those rituals are all built. We have to very carefully watch how it is very interesting. You must watch how they do it, what are the steps, initially what they do, why are they doing it, and what is that they are offering, what kind of mantra they are saying. At the end of it, what do they do? It will give all these ideas so beautifully. So Krishna, that's why in chapter 3 he says, Karma Brahmodbhavam Viddhi Brahmakshara Samudbhavam Tasmat Sarvagatam Brahma Nityam Yajne Pratishtitam. So this is the follow-up of that shloka. Annad bhavanti bhutani parjanyat anna sambhavah yajnat bhavati parjanyah yajna karma samudbhava. And then it says karma brahmodbhavam vidhi, that everything has come from Brahman, the Veda. Everything that we do has come from that. Brahmakshara samudbhavam. Brahmakshara are the Vedas, and they're imperishable actually. Tasmat sarvagatam brahma, everything is centered. Nityam yajna pratishtitam, everything is in yajna. So we have to understand yajna at 3 levels. One is at a conceptual level, other is at a very ritual level, meaning we do yajna. That also we should understand very well. And then the sukshma of it, Panchamaha yajnas, the way everything that we do can be yajna in life, that will raise us to such a high level of platform. It will give us purity of thought. It will make us a much better person in life. That is the uddesha. That is the uddesha of our Sanatana Dharma. And that is what comes through some of these passages that you see. Then he says, Evam pravartitam chakram nanuvartayati yaha agayuhu indriyaramaha mogam partha sajivati. Krishna says, this is a chakra, this is a cycle, paraspara bhava, everything. You play the role of yajna, the deva will benefit you, you will grow in greater it's a virtuous cycle which is going up. So we have to be part of this cycle. Evam pravartitam chakram na anuvartayati iha. If some fellow says, I will not do it, na anuvartayami iti ekopi vadati, na anuvartayati iha yaha vadati, he says agayuhu, he lives, his ayus is of aga, he is full of sin for whatever we have seen already. He will be very selfish, he will be very self-centered, his mind will not be pure, he will carry a lot of agami karma with them. The bag will only become thicker when they die. Agayuhu indriya arama. Because he is so selfish, he is so bothered about his own enjoyments and things like that. And mogam partha sajivati, he lives a futile life. He lives a life which is futile. So Krishna concludes this by saying that take yajna very seriously. Otherwise your life, one janma is wasted, simply wasted. Mogam partha sajivati. Yaha na anuvartayati iha. I won't do it here. Evam pravartitam chakram na anuvartayami iti ekopi vadati. Tasya janmasya nashaha vyartaha bhavati. Saha ekasya janmasya upayogam na kritavan iti asmabhihi jnatavyam bhavati. That's what Krishna concludes many of his discussions on yajna. Now in Chamaka Prashna, Okay. As I told you, when we talked about Artha, I talked about Chamaka. I said, after Rudra Prashna, you have Chamaka Prashna. After 300 Namaha for Rudra, when the Rudra is very happy, then there are 11 stanzas of asking so many things. And this is a penultimate of that. It says, Ayur Yajnena Kalpatam, Prano Yajnena Kalpatam, Apano Yajnena Kalpatam, Vyano Yajnena Kalpatam, Chakshur Yajnena Kalpatag, Shrotram Yajnena Kalpatam, Mano Yajnena Kalpatam, Vag Yajnena Kalpatam, Atma Yajnena Kalpatam, Yajno Yajnena Kalpatam. Chamaka finally says that I asked for so much of riches. In 10 stanzas, paragraph, in one stanza, it is all about Goduma aste, Masura astame, like all, brihis, all dhanyas. In Adipatya, lordship. I want what Indra has, I want what Agni has. One paragraph is only the Devatas and all that. So after asking all of them, finally what it says, I will use Yajna. That's what Purovacha Prajapatihi. Ishtakama Dukka Anena Prasavishyadhyam. Ishtakama Dukka is what he said. So after you get all the riches, Chamaka reminds us that use the principle of Yajna. Live and let live. Do everything with that. You will be evolved. That's why Ayuhu Yajnana Kalpatam. Prano Yajnana Kalpatam. Apano, Vyano, Chakshuhu, Shrotram, Manas, Vak, Atma. Yajna itself create out of Yajna. So by repeatedly saying all these, I have taken a few examples, but the point I want to make is in Sanatana Dharma living, Yajna is a way of life. Yajna is everything in life. Everything that we do in our life has Yajna and Dana. Dana part we haven't spoken today, which we will take it up in the next class. We will spend some time, understand the Dana. But Yajna and Dana are very important. It will evolve us, make the world sustainable, and make us very peaceful and evolved person in life. I think with this, it's time for us to close down. Therefore, let me just say the Shanti Mantra and we will conclude here. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Let me restore control back to Yoma brothers.
सर्वेभ्यः राम राम राम. अत्यन्तं धन्यवादाः. ज्ञानयज्ञं श्रवणयज्ञमेव अभूत् अद्य. यज्ञविषयकमपि आसीत्. महान् प्रमोदः. तत्र वेदविषयम् आसीत्, अन्यश्च स्मृतिविषयं सर्वं मिलित्वा आधुनिकतन्त्रमपि प्रयुज्य यदा अस्माभिः ज्ञायते तत् अतीव सुकरं भवति, शोभनं च भवति. धन्यवादाः. आगामि कक्षायां मिलामः. अन्तिमकक्षा भविष्यति. सर्वेभ्यः धन्यवादाः. राम राम राम.